We'll guide you through how to compare Claude Opus versus Sonnet. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser on your desktop and head over to the official websites for both Claude Opus and Sonnet. It's important to check out their features and specifications directly from the source to get the most up-to-date information. You can usually find a features or specifications section on each site. Once you're there, take note of key specifications such as compatibility, processing power, and user interface. For Claude Opus, look for details about its advanced AI algorithms, user-friendly interface, and integration capabilities with other software. With Sonnet, focus on its audio processing features, plugin support, and the variety of sound effects it offers. Next, read through user reviews and testimonials on tech forums or review sites like Trustpilot. Real user experiences can give you a clearer picture of each product's performance in everyday use. Pay attention to comments regarding ease of use, reliability, and customer support. After gathering all this information, you can create a simple comparison table in a spreadsheet to visually weigh the pros and cons of each software. Include categories like price, features, user feedback, and support. This will help you make a more informed decision based on your needs. Finally, if you're still undecided, consider downloading trial versions if available. This allows you to test the software in real-world scenarios and see which one aligns better with your workflow. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.